In this video, we will learn how to use Square Website Builder. First, go to the Square Website Builder and sign up to your new account or log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be prompted to choose a template that fits your business or personal needs. Square offers a variety of pre-designed templates that are customizable. Pick one that aligns with your vision. You can filter templates by industry, such as retail, restaurant, etc., to find the one that fits your business needs. Then, customize your template. Add your brand, modify layouts or edit text and images. This can all be done through the Square editor. Add pages and sections. You can add pages such as the contact, services or about sections. Just click an add page button and choose the type of page that you want to create. Set up an e-commerce. If you're running an online store, you can set up e-commerce functionality on your Square website. Square allows you to add products, set prices and configure shipping options. You can also connect a payment gateway, set tax rates and manage inventory directly from your website builder. Preview your site. Before publishing, you can use the preview button. This will show you how your website will look to different devices, such as mobile, laptops and tablets. Once you're happy with your website, click publish and make it live on the internet. Square will offer you a free website URL. You can use it or you can purchase your own custom domain that you can use. Manage and update your site. After publishing, you can continue to manage and update your website from Square dashboard. You can now add new accounts, update products, or adjust the design if needed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.